ask the government, the Kenya National Examination Council, and the Ministry of Education to be very fair in Form 1 intake, because we say there is no public child or private child. All of them are Kenyan children. So let the intake be merited across the board without any form of discrimination. Let every child, whether in public schools or private schools, be given a chance to school, the schools of their choice as per their marks. Number 2, would like the government to consider placing children in private secondary schools. Those schools have got a lot of vacancies, a lot of them, and they receive very few children. When we see, on the other hand, in public secondary schools, there is over congestion. So why can't the government also place those children in private secondary schools and also give them capitation? So that is our prayer: fair intake of Form 1 selection, and number 2, consideration of placing children also in the private secondary schools and capitation as well.
Ndengiria thirikari ethi na mbere na support privates, egere go consider privates just like publics, tondo even in publics makoragwo na advantage, tondo arutani makoragwo na mo maribagwo from very far, maribagwo ni thirikari, unlike us who struggle and still not to water marks cia utara ciana secondary schools. Tonge request wakinya boro admission ciana ciota ciana like any other child, wakinya boro admission ya nationals and even extra county schools, ni undu mwana na uri omwe irrespective of the background. Kira kina batamuno no mwana have a good environment, be it be in private or in public. No wakinya boro selections kana admission, tonge request thirikari ciana cio